What's up, everybody out there in YouTube land? Rat2501 here. This is the video before my live stream. So since my live stream is Team Fortress and all the other stuff is Team Fortress, we're going to be taking a break from Team Fortress today. Okay, guys? This was suggested by Miku Hatsune, and she suggested, she's one of our first subscribers, and she's also been one of the most vocal on the comments. She hasn't commented much lately, probably because I don't think she cares for the Team Fortress stuff that I do. You know, and she wants to see some of her stuff. But anyway, so this is something she said is some sort of Tom and Jerry parody, and I have no idea who it's by because the name and everything is in Japanese, and it's got some Toho characters in it. So, you know, not like Toho, like studio that makes Godzilla, but I guess the game Toho project. Anyway, so I have no idea what I'm getting into here. She said it was some sort of Tom and Jerry thing. So let's see what we got, and let's go. Okay. Oh, is this like a direct port or something? Remove and Remilia. Safety second. I actually remember... If this is Tom and Jerry... Dude, look at all that. If this is Tom and Jerry, I actually think I remember this episode if it's what I think it is. Oh, this is actually animated pretty well. July 4th. Ooh. July 4th, you freak. Yeah. Nice. Yep. This is an episode of Tom and Jerry, alright. Seriously? You gotta think that the original this original Tom and Jerry was made back in like the 60s, dude. Make it safe and sane. So people were buzzkills about the 4th of July like forever, man. Lame. Lame. There you go, man. You're not supposed to hold on to it, stupid. Oh, God. Hand over the arsenal. Oh, gee. Dude, man, nice. Kid's got all the good shit. Really? This sucks. Can't even have a good 4th of July. Ah! Keeps holding on to it. Stupid ass. Oh, God. Oop. Okay, so there's Tom. Here you go. Happy 4th of July. Oh, man, that's classic shit, man. What the hell was that? Oop. Holy crap, man. Where the hell are kids keeping all this shit? Oh, that's actually really handy. You stupid ass. Oh man, that's classic Tom and Jerry. Oh shit! Oh crap! Wait, have her run. Dude, that's like an M320 right there. It's so big. It's dead. Don't do that, dumbass. What the hell is that, a creeper? And a TNT block? There you go. Yeah, there's a flaw in your plan. And you put it right next to the gunpowder, you idiot. Oh shit! Roman candles, those are awesome. Oh, you've been flanked. Wait, why did you hold on? Why did you grab it? And why did you hold on to it? Why did you just let go? And that's why the 4th of July is awesome. And real fireworks are better than that crap they try to make you use. Exactly. There you go. Okay, that's friggin' adorable, alright? Okay, that was done beautifully, okay? That was really, really clever. And that is by somebody whose name I have no idea in Japanese, okay? So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. There'll be a link to the original video in the description so you can go check them out and check out their channel. They definitely got a subscription from me, even though I have no idea who they are. But they definitely get a subscription from me, because even though it's like just like a direct port, it's still very clever, and it's done very well. I really did like it. Ooh, what was that? Anyway, don't forget to join me for my live stream today, guys. 3 p.m. Pacific time, okay? Pacific time! Pacific time! Alright? And don't forget to tune in every day for new content, guys. And don't forget to share me on social media. Hit the little share button down there. And please become a patron. Patrons get priority for their requests. Just put your thing up on my Patreon page. Your request up on my Patreon page. And if your name on Patreon is different from your YouTube name, make sure you let me know so that I can give you guys a proper shout out. Alright? And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.